Public sectors have transformed over time. From passive subjects expected to humbly accept public services, citizens and other private actors became customers. The main focus shifted to their satisfaction, assessed through surveys and secured by striving for stronger market competition. However, the price of reducing them to either passive subjects or customers has been high. Public sectors have failed to answer growing demands and expectations in the light of limited public finances. Valuable resources and knowledge that could contribute to the improvement of public services have been overlooked. Luckily, co-creation offers a solution. Collaboration among different actors and exchange of their resources will not only lead to better public services, but also create public value, increased legitimacy, and stronger democracy. But how to transform your organization into an arena of co-creation? The Co-Gov Toolkit will support your quest in 4 steps. Step 1. Assess your organizational readiness for co-creation with Co-Ready. Identify the main weaknesses that prevent your organization from successfully co-creating, and take strategic measures to address them. Step 2. Use Co-Serve to select a public service that is most suitable for renewal through co-creation. Assess one or more services. Compare them. Make an informed strategic decision on where to start co-creating. Step 3. Renew the service through co-creation with the help of Co-Renew. Understand the problems service users face and be open to their ideas. Co-create a future of quality services, well-being and inclusiveness. Step 4. In the end, take Co-Master to assess the quality of co-creation during service renewal. Learn from the mistakes and prepare for the next co-creation challenge. So, what are you waiting for? Embark on a journey with the Co-Gov Toolkit and make your organization a co-creation hub.